In this video, I'm going to explain what umami is. Hi everyone, this is Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to explain what umami really is. Umami is one of 5 basic flavors: sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and umami. And basic flavor used to be only 4: sweet, sour, bitter, salty. Umami was found about 100 years ago and added to the basic flavor, so there are now 5 of them. Umami itself doesn't have any specific flavor like the other 4. It's not sweet, it's not bitter, it is nothing. But it just balances the other 4 flavors and gives depth or layer to the dishes. It's often translated rich flavor or savory. Something that makes your mouth watering is umami. And umami is Japanese word, and if I translate umami into English literally, it means yumminess. So the basic flavors are sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and yummy. And umami is created by 3 kinds of acid: glutamic acid, inosinic acid, and guanylyc acid. The foods full of glutamic acids are kombu seaweed, Parmesan cheese, tomato, onion. The food full of inosinic acid are most of the seafood, including katsuobushi, which is bonito flakes, and meat. And the food full of guanylyc acids are dried shiitake mushroom and dried porcini mushrooms. When we make Japanese soup stock called dashi, we use 2 ingredients: kombu seaweed or dried kelp that contains a lot of glutamic acid, and bonito flakes or katsuobushi that contains a lot of inosinic acid. Glutamic acid, inosinic acid, and guanylyc acid. Those acids contain a lot of umami by itself. Those are tasty by itself. So you can make soup stock only with kombu seaweed or soup stock only with bonito flakes. But if you put glutamic acid and inosinic acid together, or glutamic acid and guanylyc acid together, it will boost up umami more than 5 times, not just double. Some sort of synergy effect happens between those 2 acids and it will make your food 5 times yummier. And this is why we use 2 ingredients: kombu seaweed that contains a lot of glutamic acid, and katsuobushi or bonito flakes that contains a lot of inosinic acid together when we make Japanese soup stock. Same thing is happening in food in other countries. Vegetable that contains a lot of glutamic acid, and chicken that contains a lot of inosinic acid together to make chicken stock. Or Parmesan cheese that contains a lot of glutamic acid, and porcini mushrooms that contains a lot of guanylyc acid together to make Italian food. Tomato that contains a lot of glutamic acid, and anchovy that contains a lot of inosinic acid together also to make Italian food. The synergy effect between 2 acids that boost up umami was found in 1960, but down the ages, people all over the world just knew instinctively about the synergy effect, and they have been putting those 2 acids together to create their own umami. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question about Japanese food, leave a message in the comment section below. Bye for now, and looking forward to seeing you in next video.